Hey guys, you're watching Boondocking with Dennis. Rockport, Texas. They started work on prepping the area where the new courthouse and related buildings will be built. We're about 200 yards from the Maritime Museum, about roughly the same distance from the area where they're building the new art museum. And they got the big boys out today. All this fencing went up pretty quick. The Aransas County Courthouse was heavily damaged and eventually demolished by Hurricane Harvey. This is just across the street from the old HEB site. And that site was, HEB had already moved out of that location. But there was a building there that there was talks of renting it out, and then that was damaged by Hurricane Harvey. Looks like they might have some groundbreaking ceremony today. I wish they had that placard. They actually have a photo set up of the new structures being built for the Aransas County Courthouse. And I'd say, yeah, there's some ceremony probably today if they have the nice clean chairs set up and all that kind of fun stuff. I wonder what that little fencing's for. We bringing some horses in? What's going on? They're getting the grounds all set. In the background there is the Aransas County Detention Center. And this is where the old courthouse was. There's actually people working on the roof of the detention center. Or the best disguised prison break I've ever seen in my life. Yeah, this is where the old courthouse was. It was just a basic building, kind of matched the other buildings coming up here. The library and the tax assessor's office. I forget the year, I'll have to look it up, but they had an interesting older traditional courthouse here. It wasn't like the classic courthouses that I like, but apparently you're going to get your mail super fast today. I appreciate you stopping in the middle of the street, but you do not have a stop sign. People running stop signs, people stopping at pretend stop signs. There's the Aransas County Tax Office. And there's the library. I go to the library quite a bit. I'm going to have to show you that garden again because it has filled in nicely. And it does attract the butterflies. And I can already hear Anita from Flower Folk Farm. What's in that garden? And I think they have things labeled. Between that and Google Images, I should be able to figure out what the plants are. And they're demolishing the old school that was down there. So maybe we'll go the long way around and see if we can get a shot of that. Yes, we did film U-turning with no turn signals. Why don't people use turn signals? Are you just preoccupied? Like what's going on? Going by Scotty's Lock and Key. That's a good, really good locksmith. Okay. Using my turn signals and I don't have a stop sign. And yeah, that was good. Early voting done. What is this building here? I feel like I should know this already. Enter here. Oh, that's where you go to vote? Okay. Can we go down here without hitting a block? Do we want to go down here? No, we don't. Boy, they got these piled everywhere. Back there is the fire station, and Mark climbed that pole right there on the left. My buddy Mark, we came and filmed him pole climbing. But this whole area is just under construction. Even in Rockport, and that leads to it just seems like everywhere I go now, there's just like major construction going on. Rockport Volunteer Fire Department. Ooh, they have a historical marker. I might have to check that out one day. That bird wanted us to stop. We've seen this little place before in our travels. Pretty neat. I got a little bit of everything. See if I can read this sign. Anything coming? Nope. Cool. Cool. Oh, here it is. This will be easier over here. Haas's Antiques. H-A-A-S-E-S. Antiques Treasures. Antiques and Treasures. 502 East Cornwall. New resale antiques. There you go. I know what a lot of you are saying. Hey, Dennis, can we drive directly into the sun so all we see is glare? Yeah, I can do that for you. 77 degrees, guys. Not too bad. Wind is 8 miles an hour, which is very comfortable. I might be able to change my sheets today. Humidity is in the 80s, but I'm filming this at 9:12 a.m. Thursday morning. That would be so cool if someone did something with that building. I like those facades in the front, the fake look in the front. It just reminds me of old Texas, you know. I guess even though the road's closed, we should still stop at the stop sign. Yeah, there's just multiple projects going on in this area today. There's the historic church, and I think this is getting demoed as well eventually. Just some structures are just so, yeah, that's why they got the fencing, and I hope they get Jesus out of there. That statue right there. I wonder how concerned the guards are inside of the Aransas County Detention Center. I guess I've seen too many made-for-TV movies where the work crew... I got away from that lady. She actually waved first. It's going to be a good day. Where there's always some inside job. We're shingling the roof, prison break. We're delivering clean sheets, prison break. There's a beauty right there. Angel Rose Bed and Breakfast. Ain't that pretty? Ain't that pretty? I always love the screen doors to nowhere. This is another neat looking house right here. And that's got a historic marker out front. We've stopped and read all these historic markers before, but I just wanted to kind of check out the construction. We'll take a cruise on over to the harbor. I could have timed that better. Seagulls are going crazy. Here's, is that Luciano? Nope, that's a shrub. No, that's Luciano. He's probably charging his batteries. Literally charging his batteries. He is in deep thought. I like when I stop and say hi and he's in the middle of a game. He's just like, yeah, okay. Go away. I'm busy. Just like a normal person. There you go. It's a beautiful day, guys. It's a beautiful day. I appreciate you riding along. I think I've got a really good video for tomorrow morning. I don't know. I could be biased since I made it about me. So, yeah. If you come to Rockport, go to the Seashell Shop, because they got a lot of interesting souvenirs and shells, and the owner here, Debbie, lets Luciano charge his devices, which I think is awesome. Well, let's have a chat with Luciano. Good morning, Luciano. Talking to himself. Good morning. Are you okay today?
Huh?
Are you okay today?
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
It's sunny, but it's okay.
That's okay. Well, I'm going to have a chat with Luciano. You guys, thanks for riding along.
Huh?
Did you get a cane yet?
A what?
A cane.
Oh, yeah. No.
Okay, you made a rebarb cane. Oh, wow.
You were right. Those posts over there had holes in them.
Okay.
Put it in there and straighten it out.
Okay, good. Good. Hey, guys, thanks for riding along today. Thanks for watching.